Hi there, everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We're off to a pretty quiet start to our morning, exiting clouds in eastern Nebraska, but we do have a few more moving in from the west. They shouldn't be overly thick, though. I wouldn't say any worse than partly cloudy, and in fact, they're going to thin out this afternoon. Like yesterday, it's going to be another fairly breezy, if not slightly windy afternoon with some warm temperatures out ahead of this low pressure system. So you're going to see warm temperatures in most of the eastern two-thirds of Nebraska in the warm sector here. Winds behind a cold front are going to be turning out of the northwest. That's going to start to draw in some cooler air, and it's going to be kind of unpleasant in the northwest part of the state. Rain showers, more clouds, a northerly wind drawing in that cooler air. Not a very pleasant day up here to the northwest. Watching these areas right here out ahead of this low pressure system as we get into this evening as showers and isolated thunderstorms begin to fire up. Small chance in Kansas, but a little bit better chance in south central Nebraska. More chances here to the north of that low pressure. Meanwhile, rain continuing out west, starting to change over to snow up there around Sioux County. Southerly winds begin to turn northwesterly on the backside of this low pressure. These showers and storms will lift northeastward during the later night hours here, and they may actually strengthen too. So we're going to have to watch these areas for maybe a few strong to severe thunderstorms during the middle of the night. Meanwhile, as that low pressure moves through the Tri-Cities, here comes that northwest wind on the backside of the system. More rain changing to snow in the panhandle of Nebraska. Low will move off to the northeast through the late night hours into tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. And behind that low, northwest winds will be fairly blustery tomorrow morning. Rain in the northern half of the state, probably won't see much here around the Tri-Cities area. Snow looks like it's going to stay to the west of the Local 4 viewing area, so just some chilly showers up here to the north. As we go into the daytime hours tomorrow, this is going to lift northeastward. The rest of us, some of those clouds are going to try to hold tough. It's all going to be about the wind and the much chillier conditions tomorrow. So your Wednesday, not a very pleasant day. A little more sun across the south and the west. More clouds to the north and to the east, but the rain moves on. And then with skies clearing up for many of us and the winds dying down Wednesday night, it's going to be a bit of a chilly night Wednesday night into Thursday morning. There'll still be a few clouds around, but not thick cloud cover, so that'll allow those temperatures to drop off quite a bit by Thursday morning. And after that, things will start to turn a little bit nicer out there. Well, the Storm Prediction Center has this very, very small area here to the northeast with a marginal risk of severe storms here near the Nebraska-South Dakota border. So there is going to be a small chance mainly for some large hail, and this could come during the middle of the night tonight, around midnight or so here. Most of us probably not contending with severe weather, though. Mild or warm temperatures out there for today, warming up into the 70s to near 80 degrees in many spots there in the south and east, but already seeing that much chillier weather out west. Not a pleasant day in the panhandle, and that's what's in store for more of us tomorrow. And of course, they'll see rain out west today. Heading into tonight, we see that cooler air working eastward, so 30s out west, most of us in the 40s, some lower 50s out east, even near 60 out near the Missouri River. But much cooler day out there tomorrow. Not a pleasant day, especially for you folks in northern Nebraska, where it's going to remain in the 40s. Most of us will warm up into the 50s. There might even be a few low 60s in the south and southeast. And then as those skies clear up and the winds die down, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, look for a pretty chilly night out there. Frost is going to be a good possibility. Some well below freezing with some 20s possible in a few spots. Might still hang on to some slightly warmer temperatures out east in the upper 30s and lower 40s there. Mostly sunny skies return, not a lot of wind on Thursday. Should turn out to be a decent day. Some 50s up north, mid and upper 50s. Most of us warming up into the 60s. Near 70 in southwest Nebraska. And in fact, beyond that, it's going to start to get a little bit nicer for the end of the week. So a warm and windy day today, a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms this evening. Windy and much chillier tomorrow, very unpleasant. Colder start to our Thursday morning, but a halfway decent Thursday afternoon. A bit chilly again Thursday night, and then looking at some nice weather to wrap up the work week on Friday. Looks pretty good right now with upper 60s. A few more clouds around over the weekend. In fact, even a small chance of rain on Sunday. But we are going to keep the temperatures on the mild side. That's a little bit above average, actually, for this weekend. And then Monday looking good as we see highs into the upper 60s with partly cloudy skies. And in fact, as you look long range, we're going to keep that mild weather going through the middle of next week here. So, again, big plunge in temperatures tomorrow. But once we get beyond that, we're going to start to see some nicer weather return to our area. And in fact, most of the rest of the month of October looks like it'll be fairly quiet and mostly above average for this time of the year. By the time we get to the end of October, our average high is going to be down around 60 degrees. So That's continuing to drop fast here. So not a lot of big complaints. Tomorrow's probably the big complaint part of the forecast. So I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I hope it is a good one for you. I'll see you all again on Wednesday morning. Until then, take care and enjoy your day. God bless. Bye.